नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू सनशाइन योगा। माय नेम इज रश्मि एंड आई होप अभी तक आप सब लोगों ने योगा प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर दी होगी। सबने सनशाइन योगा को सब्सक्राइब भी किया होगा और आप प्रैक्टिस एंजॉय भी कर रहे होंगे। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे वो सब योगासनास जो हेल्प करते हैं डाइजेशन इंप्रूव करने के लिए। So what I've seen in these modern times because of the faulty lifestyle or the bad food habits, बहुत सारे लोग हैं इनमें से बहुत सारे लिटरली बहुत सारे लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है इंडाइजेशन का। And I know it really sucks when your stomach is not feeling good, and not only it sucks but अगर हमारा स्टमक खराब होता है, पेट खराब है, तो इससे बहुत सारी बीमारियां जनरेट होती हैं। So for example, constipation, bloating, gases and IBS, and not only that, अगर हमारा स्टमक ठीक नहीं है तो बहुत सारी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स भी जनरेट होती है। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अपने डाइजेशन को इम्प्रूव करें। सो इसलिए मेरा फोकस होगा आज के वीडियो में उन सभी योगासनास पे जो डाइजेशन इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं और इनडाइजेशन को कम करते हैं। So let's get into something comfy and let's hop onto the mat and let's get started. तो आज की प्रैक्टिस में हम सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे वज्रासना से। So वज्रासना के लिए please sit on your heels. So where basically your hips are pressing onto your heels. Your knees are bent and your hands are comfortably rested on your knees. So वज्रासना ही एक ऐसा आसन है जो हम खाने के इमीडिएटली बाद प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं and this actually helps improving digestion. So sit in Vajrasana, close your eyes and we will take few abdominal breaths. Do deep breathing and while inhaling feel your abdomen expanding and while exhaling feel your abdomen squeezing in. Let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you are not sure you are doing it right, you can keep one of your hands on your stomach or abdomen and feel the movement in your stomach. Now inhale, stomach expanding, exhale, navel going in. 2 more times, inhale, expand your stomach, exhale. One last time, inhale, exhale. Relax. You can slowly open your eyes with few blinks. I would suggest आप हर मील के बाद, अगर आपको रेगुलर इंडाइजेशन रहता है तो आप हर मील के बाद वज्रासना प्रैक्टिस कीजिए एंड सिट इन वज्रासना फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 to 5 minutes आफ्टर एवरी मील्स। नेक्स्ट योगा पोस्चर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जानु शीर्षासना। फॉर जानु शीर्षासना, first of all, sit in Dandasana with your both legs stretched in the front. Now bend your left leg and the toes of your right leg are flexed. Knee straight, toes flexed. This is a forward bending posture और forward bending posture बहुत अच्छा होता है आपके internal organs की मसाज के लिए, which ultimately results into better digestion. So for Janu Shirsasana, inhale, take both your arms up, lengthening your spine. And exhale, try to go forward and catch hold of your big toe. You can try to touch your forehead or chest to your knees. Initially difficult होगा आपको forward जाना because इसके लिए हैमस्ट्रिंग्स का ओपन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इनफैक्ट मेरे लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड करना। सो जितना भी आप कंफर्टेबली जा सकते हैं, इफ़ यू थिंक यू कैन गो अप टिल हियर, आप इतना ही जाइए और इस पोस्चर में होल्ड कीजिए। सो लेट्स होल्ड इन दिस पोस्चर फॉर एटलीस्ट 30 सेकेंड्स। Focus on your exhalations, mindful exhalations. Make sure you get straight, toes are flexed. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale, sliding your both hands forward. Take both your arms up above your head. Exhale, both hands down. So we will repeat with the other side. Now this time, left leg straight and right leg bent. Now inhale, take both your arms up. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Try to catch hold of your toe, ankle, shin bone, calf muscles, knee, जहाँ तक भी आप जा सकते हैं. And hold in this position for 30 seconds. Again, make sure knees are straight, toes flexed. And with each exhalation, try to move a little more forward. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, sliding your hands forward. Take your hands up once again. Exhale, both hands down. Relax. Come back to Dandasana. So this was Jadu Shirsasana. So practice this and you can hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute each side. And it's going to be very helpful to overcome indigestion. So the next posture that we are going to practice now is the Ardha Matsyendra Asana or the spinal twist. एक्चुअली जितने भी ट्विस्टिंग पॉस्चर्स हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव हैं कॉन्स्टिपेशन और इंडाइजेशन को कम करने में. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन वी डू द ट्विस्टिंग पॉस्चर जिसमें हमारी स्पाइन ट्विस्ट होती है और उसके साथ साथ इंटेस्टाइन भी ट्विस्ट होती है. एंड व्हेन द इंटेस्टाइन इज ट्विस्टेड, जितने भी टॉक्सिन्स वहाँ स्टक होते हैं, गैसेस स्टक होती है, उनको रिलीज करने में हेल्प मिलती है. So let's practice Ardha Matsyendra Asana. For Ardha Matsyendra Asana, this is a little tricky one and a little confusing one. First of all, come to Vajrasana, the way I am sitting right now. Now drop your hips towards your right side. Now bring your left leg and place it adjacent to your right knee. Are you with me? Very nice. Now inhale and take your right hand up, and with exhale place your left knee as close to your armpit as possible and press your knee with the opposite elbow as much as possible. Now your left hand behind your back and look over your left shoulder. If you are comfortable, you can try to grab your left foot with your opposite hand. Now hold in this position for a minute and make sure or at least try that both your hips or buttocks are on the floor. Keep breathing, stay in the posture. And if it's difficult, don't accept my invitation to catch hold of your foot. You can keep your elbows bent and keep looking over your left shoulder. Keep breathing. Never hold your breathing. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Now we will repeat with the other side. So again come back to Vajrasana. Now this time drop your hips to your left side. Now bring your right leg and place it adjacent to your left knee. Now press your knee with your right hand. Inhale, left arm up and press your left knee, right knee with the left elbow. Right arm back and look over your right shoulder. Hold for a minute, keep breathing. And with every exhalation, try to twist a little more. Feel the posture, enjoy the posture. Twenty, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, keep breathing, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come out of the posture. So this was Ardha Matsyendra Asana or the spinal twist. Now we will do few asanas lying down on the mat. So first of all, lie down on your abdomen. So the next asana we are going to practice is half bow and half locust pose. जो लोग कंफर्टेबल हैं वो धनुरासना या वो पोज भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, पर काफ़ी लोगों को डिफिकल्टी होती है थोड़ा सा धनुरासना करने में, तो ये इजियर वर्जन है doing half bow and half locust. Close to your abdomen. Now bend your left leg and then catch hold of your left ankle with your left hand. Now opposite hand and opposite leg are stretched in opposite directions. Now inhale, lift your upper body and thighs off the mat. Hold for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly relax. Change your side. Now this time, bend your right leg, catch hold of the right ankle. Forehead remains on the mat. Now inhale. Again, lift your upper body and both thighs off the mat. Hold for 15, keep breathing. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, don't give up, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly relax. Release your posture and relax in Makarasana. Make pillow with your hands. Keep one of your cheek on your hands. Big toes touching together and heels falling apart. Just relax. So this was one of the back bending posture, and back bending postures are very good for increasing your core strength. So अगर आपका core strong है तो आपका digestion भी strong होगा. So from Makarasana, now lie down on your back. the next posture we are going to practice is a half bent relieving posture on the Earth Pavanmukta Asana. So for this posture, lie down straight on your back. Now inhale, bend your right leg, hug your right knee, exhale, bring it closer to your chest. You can hold this posture for up to a minute. In this video, we are going to hold only for 30 seconds. If you are comfortable, you can lift your head up and try to touch your nose to your knees. Only if you are comfortable, otherwise it's okay to keep your head down. Keep breathing. Relax in posture. Slowly release and change your leg. Inhale, bend your left leg. Hug your left knee. Exhale, bring it closer to your chest. Keep the other leg straight. Now, if you are comfortable, only if you are comfortable, inhale. Lift your head and try to touch your nose with your knees. Hold comfortably, keep breathing. Relax. Release the posture. This is again a very good posture for overcoming gastricity or overcoming constipation. The next posture we are going to practice is called Jatar Parivartanasana. So this is again a twisting posture. और जैसा मैंने बताया था, twisting postures are very good to overcome indigestion. So for this posture, stretch your both hands on the mat in opposite direction, basically 180 degrees. Now bend both of your legs, lift your feet off the mat. Now exhale, drop your both knees on your right side. Look opposite and you can press your knees with your right hand. Stay in this posture for a minute, relax, keep breathing. So very good twisting posture, helps overcoming indigestion, constipation. Stay in the posture for a minute. Now slowly bring your knees up. Now this time drop your both knees towards your left. Look opposite and you can use your left hand to press your knees down onto the floor. I personally really enjoy this posture. So I'm sure आपको भी काफी relaxing लग रहा होगा. Just stay, enjoy the posture, feel the posture. Hold this posture for a minute. This is the last posture that we are practicing today. Now slowly inhale, lift your both knees up and hug your both knees and relax in the posture. Now this time don't try to push yourself or force yourself to bring your knees closer to the chest. Just stay in a relaxing posture, in a relaxing pose. Close your eyes. You can do deep breathing. Just feel free to stay in the posture as long as you want. And whenever you want to come back, just release out of the posture, stretch your legs. Now turn to your right side. Stay there for a few seconds. And then inhale. Come to seated. Bring your hands in prayer position. Be grateful for the practice. And just pray for everybody on this universe to be happy, healthy, peaceful. Start rubbing both of your palms. Generate some nice heat and then cup your eyes. Now slowly looking at the palms, open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. अगर आपको काफ़ी रेगुलर इंडाइजेशन रहता है तो आप प्लीज़ आज के सीक्वेंस को कुछ समय तक रेगुलर फॉलो करके देखिए। आपको भी पता है कि किसी चीज़ का रिजल्ट मिलने में थोड़ा वक्त तो लगता है, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 डेज इस प्रैक्टिस को फॉलो कीजिए और आई एम श्योर आप इसके रिजल्ट्स को बहुत जल्दी नोटिस करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, लास्ट वीक मैंने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था अबाउट स्ट्रेंथनिंग द कोर, तो आप उस सीक्वेंस को भी प्रैक्टिस करना, क्योंकि अगर आपका कोर स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा तो आपको एनी इंडाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम भी कम होगी, और अगर इंडाइजेशन कम होगा देन यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इन योर बॉडी एंड यू विल स्टे हैप्पी एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट, राइट? सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग और प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा और आपने जब प्रैक्टिस किया तो आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, डू लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट मी टू प्रिपेयर वीडियोस ऑन सम स्पेसिफिक इशू और आसनास, एंड you can contact me on my social media handles also. मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अपने इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक अकाउंट का भी लिंक दिया है, तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे ज़रूर कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे हैप्पी। थैंक यू, नमस्ते।